Hey, what is going on, bird dogs of McHenry and Lake County? This is Brandon Schwab with SPS. I am doing this quick video today because I wanted to invite you personally out to the Coffee Cup in Lake Zurich, September 26th at 6 p.m. It is a Thursday evening, and it is going to be at a little tiny restaurant coffee cup. We are going to be announcing a huge merger that SPS is involved with that has to do with our Cashel Group and Northern Illinois RIA, as well as Midwest RIA, all joining forces to give a great face-to-face opportunity for everyone to do a meet and greet and also network, but then also give face-to-face training about how to find more sellers and get more deals done. All right. I'm going to ask you to clear your calendar Thursday evening from 6 to about 8:30. And if you are able to register online, I'm going to ask you to go to meetup.com/cash flow of McHenry and go in there and RSVP, or you can also go to nilreia.com and go to the events page and just RSVP there. The great thing is if you go online and RSVP, it is going to be totally free. Just put in there that I was able to tell you to come. If you don't RSVP and go there directly, it is going to be $20 at the door. All right. Hope to see you there, and we've got some huge announcements. All right. Take care. God bless, and I will see you soon.